So there are some common misnomers and common questions that I get, and just commonly held beliefs that people have regarding mold. So there's probably 3 or so that I can think of right out of the gate. One is, I hear from a lot of people is that, well, hey, I've got mold there, I'll just put some bleach on it, spray some bleach, wipe it with bleach, and it'll be fine. If you look at the bottle, the bottom of a side of bleach, it'll tell you that it's 99% water and 1% sodium hypochlorite. So 99% of what's in that bottle of bleach is exactly what that mold wants to keep growing. So bleach will officially only kill or get rid of mold on a non-porous surface. The thing is, on a non-porous surface, steel, glass, granite, marble, you can get rid of mold with Windex. You still don't even need bleach. You can truly just wipe it away, because if it's non-porous, the mold hasn't actually even grown into that surface, just growing into whatever's on top of that surface. I also hear the term sometimes of household mold or just common mold. There's no such thing. There's 750,000 different kinds of molds. We know what they are. There's no such thing as that's just a common mold. And what I hear that a lot of is from inspectors who look at a mold and say, I think that's just a common household mold. It's another misnomer. And that mold could be anything from a mold that's very harsh on our bodies and on our health, to one that maybe is relatively benign. And there are some of those as well too. But for someone to label, just stand back and say, well, it's just common household mold, I wouldn't worry about it, is extremely dangerous. A doctor can't hardly even make that call. Another one that I hear is also, it's just outdoor mold. So there are some molds that are found outdoors, but no home is 100% immune to the environment that it sits in. So if it's an outdoor mold, it can still make its way indoors and still come in and affect people. These statements, I think, a lot of times are pretty dangerous, and I think they're misleading to people and can be damaging to their health if they think, well, so-and-so said it's just a common outdoor mold, and it could be a very, very caustic mold to their bodies.